Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. So today I will walk you through the easiest way to create shiny gold text in Canva and perfect for logos, thumbnails and your Instagram posts. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on Canva. So first let me take one blank page. So I just take this presentation, or I can say I can take the okay, I just take presentation. You can take any pamphlet like Instagram stories and whatever. So I just take presentations and take normal presentation page. So as I told you, there is a two methods. So first method is a okay, so I will show you start with the first method. In first method we need to just add the text first. Okay, just add your text like this. Okay, now you can simply select that text and you can change the font of this text. Okay, you can increase the size like this, keep at the middle of page. You can also letter spacing, do the letter spacing like this. You can increase decrease the letter spacing. Now we need the shape. Okay, so take any shape or search for shape here. Don't take any shape, just take that shape which is rectangle. Okay, change that shape color. Okay, you need to also change that text color with your background color. So I have white color. I have white background color, so I need to change this with white only. So I just change it. Okay, now just resize this that shape on your text. Now go to the position, sit to the back. Okay, now we have text and that background, keep the middle. Okay, keep the shape and text at the middle of page. Okay, okay, now we to download it as a png. Just go to the download and download as a png. Okay, download it. It will start download. Now go to the upload and upload that file which we have already downloaded. So its file has been downloaded. Now select original text and background, delete it. Now select that image and upload here. Now remove the background. The background has been removed. Okay, now put the your image. Okay, so you can upload your own image from here. Okay, upload and then just click that image will be inserted here, or you can insert any background image from here like city life, anything. Okay, so come to the photo or graphics. I just choose photos. Okay, now just resize it. Okay, and try to cover the text and send to the back. Okay, don't send it back, come forward. We need gold background, right? We need to fill it gold, so search for gold. So I just forgot, just search gold. Go to the photo or graphics. Okay, I select this one. Okay, now resize it. Okay, make sure cover only text. Okay, and send the back. Now select that text image like this. Go to the edit. In effects we need to go in these dot nuts, go to the cherry and select that and make it white. Also select that and make it white. Okay, so now we have the text and that image. Okay, you can resize that background and text one by one. So you need to cover that background with text. Okay, so it has done. Now you can select both elements and group it and resize it as per your requirement. Okay, this is the first method. Now I'm going to show the second method. Second method is very simple. Upload your image, gold background image, or you can choose the image from here or search here. I just select this only. Now go to the app and search for font frame. Okay, so here you can see this is the app I normally use. Okay, just select that and go to the open. Okay, now we need to select that image. You can write your text here. Okay, use selected image. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, whatever, and add the design. Okay, okay, you need to use selected image. First you have to select that image and use the selected image and add the text. Now just remove the background. This is your text. Okay, you can change outline like this. Okay, okay, so with before you insert text, okay, image, we need to uh, you know adjust this all line. Okay, okay, and add the image. So we just decrease the outline, so you can see this is my golden background text. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.